Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be finally reviewing the acrylic paint markers from Camel. So what I have with me is a pack of 6 acrylic markers. These are costing us around 390 Indian rupee. So when you look at the packaging, I think it looks very similar to the Uniball Posca markers. However, let's dig into these and see how they work. So they have this plastic covering on top which you need to remove, and ideally you need to like first shake the pen like most paint markers, press the nib downwards, wait for the ink to flow through the nib of the pen, and then use. So when you start shaking it a little, that's when the pigment starts flowing to the tip of the pen rather than nib of the pen. As we wait for the ink to flow completely to the tip of the pen and use it, meanwhile I would like to tell you that if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do so if you like what you're watching. Now upon application, or rather upon use on white paper, I love how these colors are so bright and they're quick drying on paper. Now some of the ways to test if your acrylic pen is nice or not is how it reacts on multi surfaces like paper, in that also white paper and tinted paper. So I'm going to try this on white paper and black paper, and then eventually try using these markers on a ceramic plate. What I haven't tried is using this on wood, but I will try that soon and let you know. Now please note that all of these reviews are non-sponsored and they're completely authentic reviews from my experience with using the product. The color payoff on the black tinted paper is also really nice. The color doesn't fade, they're as bright, they're quick drying, so that's a really good plus for using these markers on paper. If you have any other products that you'd like me to review or have questions around this, then feel free to comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I have also worked on another video for acrylic paint pens from a different brand, and that as well as a comparison video between multiple brands is going to be out soon, so make sure to follow. Now it's time to try these markers on a ceramic plate. I haven't sanded the plate, so it is glazed, it is shiny. Just making some stripes to see how this works along. Now on the ceramic plate, it's a little shocking because it's not as quick drying. The paint still comes off onto your hands even after like 2 to 3 minutes, and it gets really easily washed off, so that was very disappointing. However, if the usage of this is limited to paper, then it's really good at this price point. More details to follow in the caption. Thank you for watching and see you next time.